So I'm soundproofing the Z, especially the trunk, and I'm using this product. I bought this box for maybe $20 at Amazon. So it's a cheap product, but I wanted to try it and see if it works. It's 80 mil, 10 square feet, and it's for sound deadening. So this material comes in these little packs here. They are pre-cut already. And I picked this because it has a little pattern on there. When I do the original cover for these, it has like diamond stitching or pattern to it, so it'll kind of match with this. Although I'm making this look good, now it's gonna be covered. I'll put a carpet on top of this, so you barely see this. But I'm hoping, since it's a cheap product, we'll be able to handle the heat, and we'll see how it works in the long run. So these two doors are in good shape. I think I bought them from eBay for maybe $50. But the little clip that goes here so you can open this up and down, I saw one for $100. And I don't think it's worth it because it's just a little mechanism to hold, to put your finger through and open it. That was ridiculous. Even given how much I'm spending on this car, I decided not to buy it. I'll find a way to open this and close them without buying that. So I'll go ahead and install these. But the kit I bought with these boards, somehow it only comes with 4 boards, and you need 8 for this. But this is the shock. I'll use some of these parts here, like these ones, and this will help support my lift kit here, so I don't have to keep using the piece of wood. And this goes somewhere over here, and then the shock will go there and bolt onto here. So I bought this part, and the good thing is it comes with a bolt. The owner gave me the bolt and the washer, so that's pretty hard to find, where the owner gives you a used item and it comes with the hardware. So that's a plus. So I was using just this and it wasn't long enough, so with this it gives it a little bit more support. The strut was $28, this was $15, and I got this for $15 used on eBay, so about 50 bucks. But they have places that will sell you this whole setup, like an original one, for over $200. All I have left is this, and I have the material for that and the plastic pieces here, and I'm going to wrap those with carbon fiber vinyl. far this was a complete fail. First time working on it. I think this side I did good. You can see I cut it a little too short. I did not heat it up enough to stretch. So once I realized I messed it up, I just covered it. So but this corner and this corner I was doing good until I got to here. So I had to redo this whole thing. But gotta get the idea of what I'm trying to do there. Making decent progress. So this is one piece almost done. I do have to fix these indentations. I just have to heat it up and stretch it. Yeah, but this one good so far. Difficult work, but we're getting it done. So this video is about 3 weeks of work and waiting. So I'm working on the door. So I took out the power window here. So the motor still works. So this is good motor, but you know, it just adds weight and it's very slow. So I did not see the point of keeping it. And also this was mounted over there, and this is where you open the door. But this is actually supposed to be right here. So this is the original one, and then this hooks up to it. So the way they made it work is they welded another piece of wire here, so it can hook onto that and you can open the door. So I'm taking all these parts out and taking all the wires out so I can pull the door back to original. I think I have everything that I need, so I'll try to do that today and at least do one side. So I'm still working on the door, and this is just a mock-up for the door card and my leather strap. The issue with this is a 50-year-old car, and when they make the reproduction part, they don't fit all the time. It fits on some cars but not others. So I'm having a little bit of an issue with the door handle. So this hole they cut here is a little bit smaller, and I cannot open the door from the inside. So I do have to trim it a little bit more to allow the door handle to come out. But this is where this door card is supposed to be. You can see the mechanism for the crank is right there. This one will go right there. And I'm not going to have the handle that goes here. I'm going to have these leather door pulls. These are from a company known as Skilled. They were nice enough to make me one because they were out of stock. They sent it to me. I did buy it. It's not free. I like it because it offset the color in here, so it can stand out. It can be a focal point. I'll massage this a little bit more so it can fit. Driver side still need to be done, but the rest of the interior plastic, they're supposed to be black, and this part was aluminum, and I wanted it to either paint it or wrap it with this carbon fiber vinyl. So the whole idea of wrapping all the plastic piece in here with carbon fiber vinyl came from this. This one looks good. The rest of the plastic parts look terrible, so I might end up painting them instead. So that's why I haven't put them in the car yet. This video is getting a little too long. I am going to edit there. The next video I'll pick up by just finishing the interior, mostly the door cards on both sides, and then finishing the rest of the car and installing the vinyl for this. I do have the vinyl, I'm just waiting for the adhesive, and then I had to clean all this glue from the car, and then I'll install it. I already bought the coilovers. I'm just waiting for the shop to be available so they can weld them in. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.